So we will discuss here differentiation. Okay, so differentiation, to discuss differentiation we should know about the function. Okay, we know that physical quantities, mostly physical quantities, depend on each other. For example, distance mostly depend upon time, velocity depend upon time, acceleration depend upon time. uh, what is mean this, that is, if time is increasing, time 0 1 2 3 second, and for a moving person distance will also change, so it is depending upon time. So when work done depend upon distance, okay, it may also depend on time. So we take two general quantities, y and x, and y depends on x. These are two quantities, y and x, and y depends on x. So we can say that y and x is having a relation, and we denote it, y is the function of x. Okay, it may depend directly that y equal to 3x, suppose. It may depend y equal to suppose 2x square plus 4, like this. Okay, so when we place the value of x 1 2 3 like this, then y, value of y will also change. That means y depend on x, or y is the function of x. Now if we plot a graph between y and x, then if y is directly proportional to x, we get a straight line graph like this. We take two quantities here, x this side, y this side, and if we plot a graph, y depend on x, then it will be a straight line graph. Okay, if it depend in complicated manner, not directly proportional, then graph may be like this, y and x, graph may be like this, or any other non-uniform uh, parabolic shape. Okay, so, or there may be one more condition, that if y does not depend on x, or y remain constant on changing x, then the graph may be this like this. Okay, now let's see, from the y-x, if we have to find out slope, what we do, slope of this graph theta, सपोज स्लोप किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एंगल से. सो इसका एंगल यहाँ, और कहीं अगर हमें स्लोप लेना है, इफ़ वी वांट टू टेक स्लोप हेयर एट दिस पॉइंट between these two points B and C, okay, this angle will tell us slope. So this theta will be same. Okay, so slope, if we take, this will be, if this value is y2, this is y1, and this one is x1, and this one is x2. So it will be y2 minus y1, it will be x2 minus x1, this distance. Okay, so slope of the graph will be, slope of BC will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, this will be the slope. Okay, slope equal to theta, and theta we take tan theta, and this is perpendicular upon base, and this will be everywhere same, so there is no problem to calculate to find out slope of this curve. Okay, in this case, slope is how much? Slope equal to 0. Okay, there is no slope, so if we write here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is equal to 0. This is slope. Okay, that means y is constant, so for a constant quantity, slope will be equal to 0. Okay, now third, if this is not uniform, okay, like this graph is like this, at every point slope is different. Okay, slope means angle, यहाँ theta 1 है, here may be theta like this may be theta 2. Okay, and at every point the angle is different. Now what we do in this case? So in this case, suppose we have to find out slope of this graph like this. Okay, we take 2 points very near to this. so that we can get the accurate value of slope at that point. And we take two value x2 and here x2 and x1. This is x2, this is x1. Similarly, this is y2 and this one is y1. So in this case, y2 slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But because slope जो है वो क्या है, at different places, different points, it is different. So to find out this, what we do, we try to decrease this x2 minus x1 so that we can get exact value, we can get a tangent here. Actually tangent drawn on the curve will give us the slope. ओके जो भी हम टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे वो हमें स्लोप देगा. लेकिन अगर हम ये गैप ज़्यादा लेंगे देन व्हाट हैपन कि यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, वो टेंजेंट नहीं बनेगा, ये इसको इंटरसेक्ट कर जाएगा. और जब इसको इंटरसेक्ट करेगा तो दैट मीन्स कि हमें स्लोप नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक, स्लोप हमें कब मिलेगा, जब हम उस पॉइंट पर क्या बनाएं, टेंजेंट बनाएं. और क्योंकि हर पॉइंट पर वेरी कर रहा है तो टेंजेंट हम जितने स्मॉल पोर्शन के लिए बनाएंगे उतना ही हमारी रीडिंग एक्यूरेट आएगी. दैट मीन्स x2 माइनस x1 को हमें क्या रखना है, वी हैव टू कीप इट वेरी स्मॉल. ओके, और हाउ मच स्मॉल दिस मस्ट बी, दैट मस्ट बी कि लिमिट डेल्टा x रिप्रेजेंटिंग x2 माइनस x1 टेंड्स टू 0. It is not equal to 0. Delta x we cannot take 0, but it tends to 0. So in that case it can be written dy upon dx. This is slope. Okay, so slope हमें क्या बता रहा है, dy upon dx. Okay, now this dy upon dx we will read it that differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, differentiation of y with respect to x dy upon dx. This quantity is differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, अब इसको ड्राइव करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हम इसे कैसे वैल्यू निकालेंगे. वी ओनली what we have to do, we will learn the formulas. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा फिजिक्स में there is no need to do in very detail. Okay, so we will you will do in this topic or this chapter in maths. Okay, so simply we will do only, so y equal to, if it is given xn. Okay, जनरल फार्मूला है, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है. तो फर्स्ट फार्मूला y इक्वल टू एक्स एन. सो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट, सो डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स. डिफ्रेंशिएशन इसका कैसे करेंगे, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू एन जो है पावर, दैट विल कम इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन, देन एक्स रेज टू पावर, वन पावर विल रिड्यूस, दैट इज एन माइनस वन. दिस इज डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ वाई विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. ओके, so if we have our differentiation of any constant quantity, जब ये constant है y, differentiation of constant quantity, that will be equal to 0. And we know this from this graph कि slope of BC graph is in this case slope equal to 0. Okay, so dc upon dx constant, c constant को represent कर रहा है. So differentiation of constant equal to 0 and dy upon dx equal to nx n minus 1. Now mostly question we will do that distance depend upon time or velocity depend upon time. So suppose we have to given that x depend upon distance, x depend upon time. For example t square. Okay, very simple case we are taking here, x equal to t square. So if we have to find out velocity, so what we do, from xt graph slope tells us about the velocity. Okay, that means if we want to find out velocity at any instant, what we have to do, we have to calculate slope. And to calculate slope, what we do, we differentiate it dx upon dt, क्योंकि we draw a graph between x and t. Okay, and जो भी graph है like this, in this graph x equal to t square, So at any instant, if we want to find out velocity, so what we have to do, we have to take slope at that point. And slope, क्योंकि ये क्या होगा, slope is changing at every point, so we have to take instantaneous velocity at any particular instant velocity. So for this, dx upon dt equal to simply 2 will come in multiplication t, and there will be 1 power will reduce, so it will be 2t. This is velocity. And which type of velocity? Instantaneous velocity. So now t equal to, if we place the value t equal to 1, t equal to 2, like this, then we get the velocity at that instant. So to find the instantaneous velocity, we use differentiation. Similarly, to find the instantaneous acceleration, we use differentiation. Okay, so that means to find instantaneous value of any quantity, we use differentiation. We apply differentiation.